I'd like to show you to the east side of Pohon Merbabu. My journey ends up in one of those prettiest places ever. Yup, it is Semuncar Fall in Pantaran Village, Ampel, Boyolali district. Charming charms on the east side Merbabu Valley. It offers a pleasing charms to the eye. Even these feet are tired of treading in the tyrant. But it was all fun and forgetting the burden of my sanity. Which is included in the National Park area of Merbabu Mount. I ran as far as possible from the hustle and bustle of the city. Looking for the quiet place in every corner of this country. I'm alone today, stepping into the universe alone. Wrapped in the sadness, hoping to get warm hug from him. From this journey, I found hope that the world is not as cruel as one might think. See the little happiness that radiates around us. Your sadness is not the biggest problem in the world. Nature heals the hurt of every sinful body. Likewise, we have to cure it too.